Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. I just wanted to do that run out right there. First of all, I'll show you my new casino balls. I've had them for a little while. I love them. The pattern just jumps right out at me right away. Studied it for just a little bit, saw what I needed to do, and pulled everything off precisely. Now, I want to say this. If you're a new subscriber to my channel, today is the 662nd day since I've had this table. Prior to owning this table, I ran out one 8-ball pattern in my life. And I just want to say this, that this is not about me running out, this is about you guys. What allowed me to take my game to the next level were two very important things. First, number one and foremost, your stroke. You have to have a mechanically sound stroke. It has to be straight and accurate. Whatever you do, don't just move on to shooting balls and ingrain bad habits. Work on your stroke if you're a new player. Get that to where it's sound and solid and repeatable. Once you have that, then you're going to shoot drills. Don't just throw balls on the table and start shooting them. You'll know right away the shots that give you some difficulty. Like if you have a ball along the rail and you're cutting it down the rail, if that gives you trouble, set that ball up and shoot it over and over again until you cannot miss it. Not just shoot it any old way. Maybe you'll draw it, and then maybe you'll use some follow, or maybe you'll just use some center ball. Get used to every form of spin. I'm going to call it spin. Bottom is not English. This is actually just striking the ball low. But get used to that. Also get used to your follow shots and especially your center ball shots, because that'll help you judge cut angles. Now from there, in your drills, you're going to be able to start adding spins so that you'll understand how much throw is on a ball. Spin-induced throw is a big deal, and we have to know how to aim. In fact, when we're doing running spin, quite often on some cut shots, I'll aim like I'm not even trying to hit the pocket, but it'll throw the ball in. You'll need to learn that. And I learned that in these past almost 2 years. And just by doing the drills, that is the best way for you to either get out of a funk that you're already in, maybe you're stagnant with your game and you've plateaued, or if you're a new player, if you want to get better quicker, do these drills and you're going to improve that much quicker. Don't just shoot a random pattern of balls. That's what my main point is here. So I just wanted to cover that. If you guys have any questions or comments, just a quick video today just to show you what I've been able to do. Not about me, but it's because of the practice time I've put in that has allowed me to do this. I call it practicing with purpose. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them and guide you along, and hopefully we can all get good together. Thanks for watching once again. Like I always say, keep on practicing.